what made me choose your mentorship is that the way you conduct your classes are just very, it's interesting because not only you have the knowledge, right? So not only I am able to acquire the knowledge, obviously I have to put in my work primarily, but you also have a way to help your students by putting in the same amount of work and keeping an eye on potential deals for your students. So it's not just like, hey, here we go. Here's the knowledge, apply it, have fun. No, it's not like that. It's like, you basically you took me under your wing. It wasn't a robotic cookie cutter, mentorship in which I'll, just go through 50 different modules online and have a 15-minute coaching call with you once a week or twice a week. That's that. So you combine the background as well, and primarily your more personal way of teaching or mentoring is what made me pull the trigger. Yeah.